Welcome to the channel Learn and Succeed. In this video, you will see some word problems based on number operations. So our first question is, a trade fair was organized in Delhi for 4 days. The number of tickets sold on the first, second, third and fourth days was 1,34,569, 98,454, 1,56,201 and 1,60,435 respectively. How many people visited the fair in the 4 days? Fair means Mela. So, number of tickets means number of people. One ticket is equal to one person. So, on the first day, tickets were sold 1,34,569. That means 1,34,569 people came. On the second day, number of tickets sold were 98,454. So the people come also is 98,454. So on the third day, 1,56,201 and on the fourth day, 1,60,435. So they are asking how many people visited the fair in the 4 days. Means we have to plus all these. And the sum of these numbers will be the people visited the fair in the 4 days. So let's see the solution. The number of tickets sold in the 4 days was as follows. Day 1, 1,34,569. Day 2, 98,454. Day 3, 1,56,201. Day 4, 1,60,435. Total number of tickets sold means we have to add all these. And the sum is 5,49,659. Thus, the total number of people who visited the fair in the 4 days was 5,49,659. So, let's move to our second question. A shopkeeper have 30-meter roll of cloth from which he sold 12 meter 25 centimeter. How much cloth is left with him? Like you have 10 chocolates from which you gave your friend 3 chocolates. Now I am asking you, how many chocolates did you have? Your answer will be 7. But how did you calculate? Correct, by subtracting. But what from what? By 3 from 10 and you got 7. So this is how you calculated. So it is same as this question. Apply this method to solve this question also. Means we have to subtract both the numbers given. So let's see the solution. Total length of cloth is equal to 30 meter. Length of cloth sold 12 meter 25 centimeter. Length of cloth left 30 meter subtracted by 12 meter 25 centimeter. That is equal to 17 meter 75 centimeter. Thus, the shopkeeper is now left with 17 meter 75 centimeter of cloth. Question 3. A bus driver covers a distance of 35 km 670 meter from one destination to another in a day. The driver covers this distance 6 times. How much distance does the driver covers in a day? Let's see. Now, one destination to another means this is the one destination and from here he is moving here. Okay, and this is 35 km 670 meter. And he is covering this distance 6 times. That means into 6. 35 km 670 meter into 6. So we will get distance covered by the driver in a day. Let's see solution. Distance covered in one trip is equal to 35 kilometer 670 meter, that is equal to 35,670 meter. Number of trips 6. Total distance covered in 6 trips is equal to 35,670 meter into 6. That will be, the product will come 2,14,020 meter. That is equal to 214 kilometer and 20 meter. Thus, the total distance covered by the bus in a day is 214 kilometer and 20 meter. Question number 4. An orchard produced 800 kg of apples. The apples were packed in cartons containing 5 kg 300 gram of apples each. How many cartons can be made from the 800 kg of apples? Now what is given? 800 kg. If it will change into gram, then it will be 8 lakh gram. So how many cartons will be needed to pack 8 lakh gram apples? If one carton can contain 5 kg 300 gram, that is equal to 5,300 gram. So to identify this, we have to divide them. So question will come 150 and remainder will come 50. Let's see the solution. Total weight of apples is equal to 800 kg, that is equal to 8 lakh gram. Weight of apples in one carton is equal to 5 kg 300 gram. Number of cartons is equal to 8 lakh divided by 5,300. That is equal to 8,000 divided by 53, and that is equal to quotient 150 and remainder 50. So quotient is 150 and remainder is 50. Thus 800 kg of apples can be packed into 150 plus 1 cartons, that is 151 cartons. Now why we have added 1? Because there are apples remaining and there are 50 apples remaining, so we have to put these also in one cartoon. So that wise we have add one more cartoon in it. So we have got 151 cartoons. Question 5. Kanishka had rupees 3,45,678 in her bank account. She purchased an air ticket to the United States of America for rupees 67,350. How much money does she have in her bank account? So it's very simple. So let's see the solution. Kanishka had rupees in her bank account is equal to rupees 3,45,678. She purchased an air ticket for rupees 67,350. Money she have now in her bank account is equal to rupees 3,45,678 subtracted by 67,350, that is equal to rupees 2,78,328. Thus the money left in her bank account is rupees 2,78,322. Homework. A factory produces 62,748 chocolates in a day. How many chocolates will it produce in 25 days?